Independence worth celebrating.
100%.
And why you say that?
Because we're a patriot, man, you know what I mean? A Jamaican, you know, man. We're independent people. We've escaped from the clutches of the colonizers. So we have to celebrate that.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I got to test your knowledge now. What year did Jamaica get independent?
1962.
Yeah. You know your stuff, man. You know your stuff.
I think that was a trick question as well.
No, it was a trick question. It was an educational question.
All right.
Jamaican independence worth celebrating.
Yeah,
And why you say that?
no matter what, we are still Jamaica. I love my country no matter what. You see me? So we celebrate every little thing. No matter what I go on, what we do, what we say, celebrate it.
Do you know what year we get independence?
No. No, me not be like me, sir. You know, I know this thing, I don't know. No, but it for keep, you know? Yeah. Yeah, but I don't know.
All right, thank you for your time. Independent worth celebrating.
No, we're still not independent. We're still not. No, it's not really worth it.
You know which year we get independence?
1962. Yeah.
All right, thank you for your time. Today we hear it.
From,
What's your name?
my name is Beverly Lawson.
Beverly Lawson.
Yes.
What year did Jamaica gain independence?
1966.
You sure?
I remember when Jackie born again.
Is Jamaica independence worth celebrating?
Yes, I do think.
And why you say so?
A lot of things, a lot of little things where people get to go and enjoy themselves, meet up on people who you don't know, celebrate, have a nice time.
Today we there with man of nature, but today me I change my name to love. Love of the universe, because you love short out the universe. I want the people to understand it. One thing we do is love.
Yeah.
Because without love, this universe can't stand. Love is key for the universe. We don't want no gun, no cut this, no knife to fight. Love we want to get back in our heart. Love. Love you look up at them, love you whole people them, love yourself, respect yourself and honor yourself. Because there what? The God is the wind, me and help you know what go on. The God not in a cloud, the God inside of you. You rise up this morning, you thank the Father for health and strength and wake up. Yahshua, heal him and Mother Nature. Mother Nature love. What we are look for love from the woman and I say, woman have a love. No. But we are cut it right there, so we are deal with independence.
Yeah. Yes, Mr. Man of Nature, love of the universe.
Yeah.
Do you feel like Jamaican independence worth celebrating?
No, I don't feel so independent. It's a trap.
Yeah.
Then take a chain off our foot and put it in our brain now. So we have to work for money and work hard and kill out ourselves. So we're not independent. If we're independent, we should not live freer.
Yeah.
Why we independent and have to baffling our life? We can't enjoy life like the rest of people. Them. Only the Chinese them more say independent in our country because them not pay tax. When we feel independent and when we not pay no tax. Independence no come so. Independence come with different composure because you know we are bad so we independent. My bank on here so we independent and we still in a pen. And in a pen them put the same way. So them a use it, them a slave, them a abuse it. That's why them a kill we are so we not right. So I ask the people them for giving them independence, you have to accept love. The greatest independence is love.
Yeah.
Bonfire upon Babylon independence because two brothers come back from England and come with a placard that say we independent. Oh, we sure so we independent. And then done they tell we say then left a set illiterate people in Jamaica. So we no come back and treat it. Now we wise up. So now we go shuffle on a card. Come with better thing. We have sense now. So watch now, we not burn no party and we not burn down nobody house, you know. We attack righteousness.
Righteousness.
We want back right. We want can live free, just like how a breeze blow free. The bird them a fly free. Why so much chopper come around? Why we have to look for so much bomb around? Why not this thing come down to war now? Why we can't say love? God not come in a war. The creator of the universe not come in a war. Him tell we.
Yeah.
Peace in come with. And if him a go come now in a this war session, we are gonna mourn.
Yeah.
Him a go move the whole away, man shuffle it back. So the whole earth.
Yeah.
No man not go left and say man not done over this and him not in rule or hurt this.
Yeah.
The master of the universe that can wash you over with the water, wind, fire, hurt. Love, lightning, and thunder. Them that 7 elements. And a 7 plate with the pan.
Yeah.
Build the earth at the foundation. Where is man to build it? Let there be word.
Yeah.
And there was word. Let there be light and there was light. Let there be water. Words the man use. So oh no, Babylon come with iron, picker and want to take over earth and kill we off. Unfair. But the master is over us and the master is under us because the Lord is the fullness of the earth. We not have no fear.
Yeah.
Because in tell we say, do fear, you know.
Yeah.
One love.
Yeah.
We kill them off Jamaica. One thing I have to say to my, my black people over the whole universe.
Yeah.
Live, love, unity as one and we win the war. We not have to fight them back with no nuclear. For nuclear is powerful on them.
Yeah.
With tongue is powerful on them. Words is powerful and true. I use the words against one another. Yeah. Start use it as one and get against the enemy and see if we win. Yeah. One love.
One love.